Now to the coronavirus. In the middle of all this, don't forget there is a coronavirus pandemic still going on, and the rising number of cases and hospitalizations in many areas are still mounting. At least 9 states report record increases in cases over the past 3 days. Coronavirus hospitalizations hit new highs in Texas. That's for the 3rd day in a row. As Omar Villafranca reports from Dallas, Texas, Governor Greg Abbott says there is no need to scale back the reopenings.
Record high coronavirus cases in Texas won't stop it from opening what it calls Phase 3. Restaurants can operate at 75% capacity. And the state played host to the first PGA tournament in 3 months without fans in attendance. Experts are concerned about a lack of urgency in some communities.
The virus is on its own timeline, and, we may wish it was over, but it's not. And the only
Dr. Catherine Troisi is an epidemiologist at the University of Texas School of Public Health. She's worried not enough Texans are practicing physical distancing or wearing masks. She warns that without those precautions, the state's health system could be overwhelmed.
We don't want to be in the position of Italy, where they had to make some very hard decisions about who got medical care.
Hospitalizations in Texas have climbed more than 50% since Memorial Day. It's one of at least 14 states that have seen recent spikes in hospitalizations, and at least 19 states reported increases in their average new COVID-19 cases compared to about 2 weeks ago, including Florida, where new infections in the state reached more than 2,000 on Saturday and Sunday.
And seeing cases go up and seeing the positivity rate also increase suggests that there are outbreaks underway.
Former FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb says that some of these outbreaks shouldn't be surprising.
States like Texas, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, where you see those outbreaks right now, never really reduced the number of cases substantially. They had spread, it was persistent, and now it's flaring up.
In New York City, once the epicenter of the nation's outbreak, thousands of demonstrators poured into Brooklyn to denounce racism and support black transgender people. But it was this party-like scene in Manhattan over the weekend that has the governor warning of closing parts of the city again.
There is a very real possibility that we would roll back the reopening in those areas.
In Houston, the numbers are not good. Hospitals are starting to fill up, and the county judge there says she may have to recommend another stay-at-home order. Now, cases at Texas Medical Center in Houston, which is one of the world's largest hospital complexes, have risen an average of 3% per day since Memorial Day. Anthony?
All right, Omar, thank you.